What is the process for claiming and receiving the lottery winnings?
Hello everyone. Today we'll be going through the process of claiming and receiving lottery winnings. We all dream of hitting that jackpot one day, but what happens when that dream comes true? Let's explore this topic step by step.
What's the first step after winning?
After your numbers have been drawn and you realize you've won, the first thing you should do is sign the back of the ticket. This will help establish you as the owner of the ticket and prevent anyone else from claiming your prize. Next, make a photocopy of both sides of the signed ticket. This is to have a copy for your records in case the original gets lost or damaged.
Where and how do I claim my winnings?
Where and how you claim your winnings depends on the amount won and the state in which you purchased your ticket. For smaller winnings, typically less than $600, you can usually claim your prize at any retailer that sells lottery tickets. They can pay you out directly, or give you a form to mail in if they can't pay you on the spot. For larger prizes, you may need to visit a regional lottery office or even the lottery headquarters. Some states may also allow you to claim by mail, in which case you will mail your signed ticket, along with a completed claim form, to the appropriate address.
How long does it take to receive lottery winnings?
Once your claim is received, it may take several weeks to a few months for you to receive your winnings. This depends on the specifics of your state's lottery rules and regulations. Keep in mind, if you've won a particularly large prize, you might have the option to take the winnings as a lump sum or as an annuity paid out over a number of years. The latter option usually means a bigger total payout, but it's spread out over a longer period.
What about taxes?
One thing to remember is that lottery winnings are considered income and are subject to federal, and sometimes state, income tax. Depending on the amount you've won, the lottery organization may withhold some of your winnings for tax purposes. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor or tax professional if you win a significant amount. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to claim and receive your lottery winnings. Just remember to sign your ticket, make a photocopy, understand where to claim your prize, be patient, and consider the tax implications. With these steps, you'll be well prepared for that dream come true moment. Thanks for watching, and good luck out there.